When you picture your dream home, what do you see? It can be difficult to turn that dream into reality, but Alliance has the innovative system to make it all manageable. Introducing the Gator Tile System. The Gator Tile System makes use of 7 components: the Gator fabric, the Gator base, the Gator Spacer, the Gator XP glue, the Gator tile edge, the Gator base screws, and Gator tile sand. To start, remove the top layer of soil, compact the earth, and layer it with Gator fabric. Add a compacted layer of bedding sand, then install the Gator base. The Gator base is equipped with water evacuation channels and is made of a durable, lightweight, high-density polypropylene. This means that the Gator base insulates the structure, reducing the effects of freeze and thaw cycles. Designed for ease of installation, the Gator base's lock-and-go system creates an interconnected base of support, optimizing load transfer. Next up is the Gator Spacer, a fundamental component to installing tiled patios. Its built-in spacer bars make laying tiles easy and ensure consistent spacing. Through downward force, the Gator XP glue fills the riveted holes, interlocking the spacer with each adjacent tile. This creates an indivisible surface that provides support while increasing load transfer and structural integrity. Detach spacer bars to use the Gator Spacer disc as support in staggered tile patterns or under large format tiles. For support along the perimeter of the installation, split the spacer into halves, installing the spacer bars along structures. Use halves without spacer bars along the exterior of the installation. For corner support, the Gator Spacer can be divided into quarters. Line the Gator tile edge along the perimeter of the tiles and screw in every second hole. Designed specifically for this system, Gator base screws fasten the Gator tile edge to the Gator base, providing the structure with strong lateral support. Next, fill the joints with Gator tile sand. Vibrate the sand deeper into the joints. Make sure the sand grade level is 1/8 of an inch below the surface of the tiles. Clear the surface of any residual sand. Then, water the sand-filled joints to activate the Gator Tile polymeric sand. As it dries, the sand becomes firm yet flexible, locking the whole structure into place. And so you have it. Elegance, perfect alignment, easy installation, and built to last. What was once a challenge is now easier than ever before, all thanks to the right system, the Gator Tile System. For proper installation practices, follow the instructions found on the packaging of each product. Need more information? Visit us at AllianceGator.com or at the Alliance Gator YouTube channel.